Skylander and Lego Boy, and today is part 2 out of 4 of Skylanders Trap Team. It's over there, we're playing it. So we're going to open some traps. So first we're going to open a fire trap. That was easier than I thought. Oh, sweet. Fire trap. My sister's gonna hold it. And I'm gonna open a magic trap. So that's all our traps we have for now. So bye. Boom, boom, swap out.